Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope so that you all are fine. As you know that we are on chapter number 3 on the ocean, and we have completed its explanation with reference to the context, and then we have completed its summary. Today we are going to solve the exercise of this poem. Now students, look at page number 16. Activities are given here, and first one is A. Answer the following questions. As you know that we have read this all poem with reference to the context, and we have done its summary also, so it will be very easy for you to give the answers of these questions. The first one is write the main idea of the poem. So students, the main idea of the poem is that the sailors encountered hardships and dangers of the sea bravely, but died of thirst, as no human can live without water. As no human being can live without water. Second question is define the bloody sun. The bloody sun is a metaphor in this poem. The sun is always at its climax at noon. It was very hot at noon. The sun looks like the red color of the blood. Therefore, the poet has used this metaphor. Question number 3. Why everything was stuck? Due to thirst, the throats of the sailors had dried. Therefore, they could not speak and move because of weakness. So, they were not in a position to sail the ship, so everything was stuck. Look at question number 4. What do you understand by painted ocean? It means that the ship was standing still on the ocean, as the painted ship is always motionless in a picture. Actually, this is a simile used in this poem. Explain the last stanza in your own words. Now students, look at the last stanza. Water, water everywhere, and all the boats did shrink. Water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. The narrator of the poem of this stanza narrates that there was water everywhere. As the ship stood motionless on the water, it affected all the boards of the ship, and they shrank. There was water everywhere, but not a single drop of water to drink for the thirsty sailors, as the sea water was salty. Now students, look at B part. Underline the words in the poem which rhyme with these. First of all, I would like to tell you that what rhyming words are. Rhyming words are those words which gives the same sound as the word is first one word is given. For example, took, look, night, right. So some words are given here, and we have to make the rhyming words of these from the poem. Drink, shrink. Ocean, motion. Moon, noon. Next, prefixes are given. The prefix dis means not, and the prefix inter means between, among. For example, integrate, disintegrate, national, international. Look at page number 17, students. Here some words are given, and we have to change these words, and we have to add some prefixes with that. Prefixes are actually mean before, so some words are added before some word which change the meaning of and become a new word which is totally different in meanings. So we have to add these words with this one, and the meaning will be totally changed. disinterest. The first one will become disinterest. The second one, disinterest mean that you lose the interest, गैर दिलचस्प होना. Dislike, नापसंदीदगी. Disloyal, बेवफा होना. Disjoint, सिलसिला तोड़ देना. Disfigure mean शक्ल ख़राब कर देना या बिगाड़ देना. Now we have to use enter with these words as the prefixes. Intercity mean शहरों के दरमियान सफ़र करना. इंटरकनेक्ट, राब्ता जोड़ना. इंटरप्ले, असरअंदाज होना. इंटरैक्ट, बाहमी अमल करना. इंटरलिंक, बाहम मरबूत करना. Okay students, when these new words will be become by adding these prefixes, you have to make the sentences of your own on your notebook. This is your homework. You have to make new sentences by using these words, which I have given you the meaning of that words. Here again an example of simile is given here. Simile, first of all we will come to know that what simile is. Simile is actually a comparison of two things by using the words like or as. For example, some instances are given here. He is as brave as a lion. He fought like a lion. We are using word as and like here to compare a person with the lion. So students, an activity is given to you and you have to solve this. We see an example of a simile in the poem, idle as a painted ship. Make your own similes with the given words. So students, you have to make your own similes by using these words. Hot, you can make as hot as volcano. Right as pillar. Big as an elephant. Idle as a queen bee. Beautiful as rose. Soft as sponge. So students, our activity of chapter number 3 has completed now, and I hope so that it's quite clear to you and you will do your work effectively. So you have to learn this exercise, and if any query you can ask. Take care. Allah Hafiz.